Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll be talking about operators in Python. In my earlier videos, I have explained the arithmetic operators and the logical operators in Python. If you haven't watched those videos, you can follow the link in the description and watch those out. As we all know, there are 7 operators in Python, out of which today I am going to talk about the comparison operators in Python. Let me tell you, there are 6 types of comparison operators in Python, which are the less than, the greater than, the less than or equal to, the greater than or equal to, the equal to, and the last one is not equal to operators. All the 6 are the comparison operators. To explain them in detail, let me take some examples so that you understand them better. Okay, let's start. I will take a variable a is equal to 1. Another variable b is equal to 2. Then I will use the print statement and in the braces I will write a is equal b. We have to keep this in mind, thus this double equal to is a comparison operator. If we change and delete one equal sign, then it becomes a assignment operator, which is totally different. But I want to use the double equal to, which is a comparison operator. Now I will run my program and then you can see it will check whether the values are equal or not. So here it is false because a is 1 and b is 2. So that's why the answer is false, because both have different values. Now if I change the value of b to 1 and run my program again, now we will be getting true as our output because both have the same values 1 and 1. Now let us go to the next operator, which is not equal to. It is denoted by an exclamation mark and the equal sign. Now it will check if both the values are not equal. I will run it, but the answer is false because both have equal values and we are trying to print whether a and b are not equal. Just because it is false, therefore the answer coming out is false. Now if I change b to 2 and then run my program again, we will get true because in this case a and b have different values, therefore a is not equal to b. Therefore the result is also true. Now let us go to the third operator, which is greater than. Okay, I have written a greater than b and I will run my program. In this case, a is smaller than b because a is 1 and b is 2. So when I run it, I am getting false because a is not greater than b. A is 1 and b is 2. Therefore, the result should be false, and as you can see, the output is also false. But if I change the value of a to 3, in this case, when I run it, I will get true as the answer because the value of a, which is 3, is greater than b. I will use the less than operator in this case now. Now I will run it. It is coming false because b is not greater than a. Now if I change the values, say I am making a 1 and b as 2, now b will be greater. So the answer when it is run will be true because the value of b is greater than 1 and we are checking it through the print statement. So this is the less than operator. Now let us move on to the fifth type, which is greater than or equal to. In this case, it will check whether the value of a is greater than or equal to b. In both the cases, if a is greater than b or equal to b, then the answer will be true. But in our case, a is less than b, therefore the false statement is coming out. Now I am changing the value of a to 3 and running it again. See, now the answer is true because a is greater than b in this case. So Either it has to be greater or equal to. Then only the answer will be true. Now let us take the last one, which is less than equal to. In this case, if the value of A is less than or equal to B, then the answer will be true. Otherwise it will be false. In our case, the value of A is 3 and for B is 2. Am I running it? Then you can see the answer is false because the value of A is actually greater than B. I am changing the value of A to 1. Now I am running it again. Then you can see that now it has come true because in this case A is smaller than B. So these are the 6 comparison operators in Python.
So this is all about this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video, and if you like it, then tell us in the comment section below. If you have any doubts, then post them in the comment section. I will definitely try to clear those doubts. Also, like, share and subscribe to our channel Coders Arcade and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification when we post a new video. Thank you. Happy learning.